Good morning, dear students. Today we study about the revision of our second unit, and today we will going to study the inheritance in C++, right? So today we discuss about the inheritance in C++. So before we start with today's session, I would like to tell you what we had studied in our previous class. We study in our previous class regarding our second unit, based on our second unit, and we have covered function, what is function, what are the types of function, how many types of function, what is friend function, how to declare function, how to pass the argument in function, and what is virtual function, and what are the roles of the virtual function. So we discuss about these topic in our previous class, and today we will going to study about the inheritance in C++, right? So what is inheritance? In C++, inheritance is a process in which one object acquire all the properties and behavior of its parents object automatically, right? In such a way, you can say that you can reuse, extend, or modified the attributes and the behavior which are identifying in the other class. In C++, the class which inherit the member of the another class is called derived class, and the class whose members are inherited is called the base class. The derived class is the specialized class of the base class, or you can say that the base class is the main class, and with the base class is having all the properties, and derived class is the inherit the property. And you can say that the class can be, what is base class and derived class? So we can say that the class can be derived from one from more than one classes, which means it can inherit data and functions from the multiple base classes, right? So here we discuss about the inheritance, what is inheritance and how it will work. And here you can see the diagram. There are the types of inheritance. Inheritance basically having five types. First one is single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. Let's discuss about the first inheritance, that is single inheritance. Single inheritance is a single inheritance is defined as the inheritance in which a derived class is inherit from only the one base class. Here you can see the diagram, only one base class, and one base class, and the b, here you can see the a is the base class and b is the derived class. So this is single inheritance, right? After that we discuss about the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance, that means multiple inheritance is a process of deriving a class from another deriving class. Here you can see a is a base class, base class is after that b is a derived class, and further c is the derived class of b. So here you can see the multi-level inheritance. When one class inherit another classes which is further inherited by the another classes is known as the multi-level inheritance. Here you can see the diagram. After that we discuss about the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance, that means it is the process of deriving a new class that inherit the attribute from the two or more classes. Here b1, b2, b3 are the base classes, and derived class is c. Here you can see here you can see the multiple inheritance. That means one or more classes is base class, and one or more classes is base class, and all base classes having some properties, and after that derived class is introduced to having these 2 to 3 base classes. So here you can see the diagram of multiple inheritance in C++, right? And after that we discuss about the hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is a combination of more than one or two inheritance, right? Here you can see the here one of two inheritance combination of the two inheritance. First one is multiple inheritance, and another one is multi-level inheritance. Here you can see the diagram that you can easily understand. A is a base class, and base class having some properties, and after that derived class B and C, and B and C is the base class for the D. So you can say that the combination of the one or more inheritance, right? After that we discuss about the hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is the defined as the process of deriving more than one classes. That means one here you can see the diagram. One A is a base class. After that base class is having some property, and after that A, B and B, C and D is the derived class. So having some inherit some property in the base class, right? So here you can see the diagram, in hierarchical diagram. So basically today's we discuss about the inheritance, and what is inheritance, and how many types of inheritance, and how to inherit how to inherit property from base class to derived class. So today's lecture is basically based on your inheritance. Thank you.